Iminungkahi ni Senate Majority Leader Mig Zubiri sa ika-14 na araw ng impeachment trial na gawing mas mahaba o 1 to sawa ang oras nga ng paglilitis laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte.
May I make a suggestion that in the last week when we did our sessions, we only took about 2 to 3 hours the most tackling our legislative calendar. May I make a suggestion that we move our legislative sessions in the morning at 10 and then have the impeachment trial at 3 in the afternoon so that we are not hampered by our legislative calendar. When discussions such as these are important, when you present evidence and the cross will be done by the counsels for the respondent, hindi po mapuputol yung kanilang discussion.
Ayon pa nga kay Zubiri, sa pamamagitan daw ng paglipat ng oras ng paglilitis mula 10:00 ng umaga papuntang 3:00 ng hapon ay mas marami ang makakapanood nito. Tiniyak naman ng presiding officer na kanila itong ikokonsidera, bagamat kung mapagkakasunduan nila ito ay magkakaroon nga raw ng agarang abiso sa prosecution panel at maging sa defense team. Sa kabilang banda, umapila naman si Senadora Pia Cayetano na bago raw ito pagdesisyonan ay mas mainam kung magkakaroon nga sila ng caucus tungkol dito.
I recall we discussed this in caucus. So can we just go back into caucus? Because there were reasons we decided on this. So may I humbly suggest that we, take a moment and just discuss this in caucus. Plus, the minority floor leader is not here right now. So may I just humbly request that we have this discussion.
Samantala, maliban nga kay Senadora Pia ay tumayo rin para magsalita hinggil sa mungkahing ito si Senadora Camille Villar.
I remember not too long ago, our majority floor leader even brought up the idea of starting 30 minutes after, from 10 o'clock to 10:30. And then it was suggested by our other colleague that we discuss it in caucus together. So let's afford the same time for such decisions, right? I mean, we can't do it right away.
Sa huli, tiniyak nga ni Presiding Officer Chiza Escudero na hindi naman nila minabadali ang pagdedesisyon dito, bagamat hilingan ni Zubiri na magkaroon na raw ng desisyon mamaya tungkol dito. Maaalala, matapos nga na hilingin ito ni Zubiri sa impeachment court, ay sinabi naman ng defense team at maging ng prosecution panel na okay naman sila sa schedule na ito. In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Ann Cortas ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, Dumisca News Authority.